Have you been searching for a way to install the Aptoide TV application to your smart TV or Android TV? If that's the case, then this video is for you. I am going to show you the fastest and easiest way to get the application to your smart TV or Android TV. So follow me attentively, subscribe to the YouTube channel to support me, and watch right up to the end of the video to learn what I'm about to show you. And as I said, this is the fastest way to install this particular application to your smart TV. So how is that done? The first thing first, you have to come over to this application that is very useful for every smart TV user. It's called Downloader. Downloader is not a browser, it's not a Play Store. Actually, it just helps like an intermediary to search anything that you want, and it's very helpful for for smart TV and Android TV users. So you must have this application if you own a smart TV or Android TV. That's just my recommendation. So it's very easy to use, and if you don't have the application on your smart TV, do not worry. In the description of this video, there is a link I attached that's going to help you to get the application to your Android TV or smart TV. And here's how the interface looks like. It's very user friendly. All you have to do is once you are here, you come over to the search box and type in the code. Yes, I said code. So you're not going to search for the application, you're just going to type in a simple code. Once you type in the right code, it's going to go straight away to installing the application. So the code is 545293. So 545293. So type in the right code. You can screenshot it right now or write it on a piece of paper. So that once you go ahead and search, it's going to work for you. So you click on go. Once you click on go, what is going to happen is that the application is going to start downloading the file. It's going to start downloading straight away. Once it's done downloading, it's going to ask for permission to install to your Android TV and start installing straight away. And you will watch right up to this moment. Just drop a comment in the section, just drop a comment in the comment section if this works for you. Just write Aptoide if it worked for you, and if it doesn't work, ask any question and I'm going to reach out. You see, the application is downloaded already. Once it's done downloading, it's going to install and I can start using it on my smart TV or Android TV straight away. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.